All right, welcome back. We're going to go ahead and get started into our next segment, which is the contributed lightning talks. Thank you for the timer, Ricky. I appreciate it. So these are all abstracts that were submitted by the community, and each person will have 3 minutes. So they're limited to 2 slides and 3 minutes. So consider it rapid fire. It's also going to be a pretty significant data dump to kind of reinvigorate our brains before we break out into our discussions. So after we have our lightning talks, let me actually just pull back up the schedule real quick. So after we go through all of our lightning talks, then we'll go into an introduction of the breakout rooms and the rules and things like that. So we have a wide variety of talks in this session. This does not cover everything, and I think that's really important to point out, that this does not cover all of the science. These are just, a few things that people wanted to share, and that we agreed that, yeah, we're really applicable to an Artemis base camp. So on the website for this LSSW, you can find under the program, you can click on the title of the talks for the lightning talks, and that will take you to the abstract. So if you want to learn a little bit more about what these folks are going to talk about, you can take a look at those. There are, again, 3 minutes, so very, very short, rapid fire. So for those of you who are speakers, please make sure that you're paying attention to when you're going to be going next. And I'll quickly introduce the speaker when we get to the next talk, and I'll probably just say your last name so I don't take up any more of your time. I'm not going to read your title slide. You don't have much time. And then when we get to 1 minute, we have 1 minute left. I'll chime in and just let you know that we have a minute left, but Ricky also has this wonderful countdown clock that's super helpful. I love having it. So with that, I do think that we could go ahead and get started.